Hey everyone, John Corey here, McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi. That is my 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and I'm going to show you a big mistake I made on this vehicle that I want to warn you about. So stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it. All right, so if you're like me, you live in a state that has a turnpike. We live in West Virginia, and we have the good old West Virginia Turnpike, and that means I have to have one of these if I want to quickly get through the toll booth. So when I got this car, I decided to go ahead and purchase one of these because I travel to Tennessee a lot to see my sister and go to North Carolina, so I'm always on the turnpike, and it's a lot more cost efficient if you buy an Easy Pass than if you just pay the toll each time. So I think it's every toll booth that you hit from like here to the end of the state is like $4.25 each stop. So that's, you know, that adds up after a while. It's over $24 to leave and come back into the state. So the Easy Pass makes it a lot more efficient. So when I got my Easy Pass, I followed the instructions on the board, or instructions in the envelope, and I placed it right about here. Of course, on the inside of the vehicle. Well, unfortunately, I didn't realize this at the time, that was blocking the Ford Collision Mitigation camera. So you can tell there, because of the sticky things, I still need to remove those, they're still on the windshield. But you can tell how that was actually blocking the Ford Collision Mitigation cameras. So I would get in my vehicle, and it was winter time, so I didn't think anything of it at first, but it would say camera blocked, whatever. I thought it was because there was snow or frost on the windshield, which is very common. That will cause the camera to be blocked and not work. But even after the windshield was thawed and after I was able to get, you know, everything clear from there, it was still showing that it was blocked. Didn't take me long to figure out, oh, the Easy Pass, which once again was inside the vehicle, not outside, but for the purposes of today, I'm just showing you outside, was blocking the view of the camera. So I pulled it down, and I haven't put it back up yet. I don't travel enough to need it up there every day. So I think what I'll do is I'll just keep it handy and put it up as needed. Like I don't need to have it for at least another month. So I'm not going to leave it up all the time, but I'll just reassert it once I go traveling. But one of those things you don't really think of, especially because not every vehicle has their Ford Collision Mitigation cameras up here. Some vehicles have them down here in the dash, or I'm sorry, down here in the grille, or in the lower fascia. But for Mitsubishi, they put it up here, which honestly keeps the vehicle safer. You're less likely to damage that in a small collision up here than if it was in the, in the grille or in the lower fascia of the vehicle. So just a quick tip, learn from my mistakes. Yes, this does need wash. It's still winter time. As you can tell, that Eclipse Cross is covered in snow. But just a quick tip I wanted to share with everyone. If you have any questions, give us a call. 304-422-6501. McClintonMitsubishi.com. And be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. All right, everyone, have a great day.